For those of you who can't tell, that is what this is. And I am about to be stupid enough to try this. So, it's all for you, Julian Smith. I'm actually kind of scared right now, I'm not gonna lie. It's really hot. That's the purpose of hot Kool-Aid. So, I'm gonna stop stalling now and try this. Oh. Ah. It's hot. It tastes. That's my cell phone. Tastes like cough syrup and orange Kool-Aid. So I'm gonna wait for this to cool back down because it's kind of nasty. But yeah. This has been Kamiko with my video response to hot Kool-Aid. Bye guys.